Breaking news. Breaking news ti lom hasalo and very sad news ti kho zong se. Atu zar ni ni ya khan. Indianapolis a chang mi cho minung zu thum leng ni citizen lak dinga ceremony antua chu a chun minung som thum la pret an khir than na ti mi thai ase. Thopang chiang ngai ase. E kan lai mi zong an talve ti a thai ase. Ka hen news kan ngai to tau se.
Way at the door. That's what apparently happened to more than 36 people here in Indy today who were all set to raise their hand, take the oath, and become U.S. citizens. But the Marion County Clerk told us their dreams were denied. Our Alex Almanza spent the evening getting answers. Alex?
Well, seldom does a naturalization ceremony end in questions. Typically, the people who are invited to take an oath to America have taken all the tests, they've gone through the vetting process. But tonight, that invitation was revoked for some.
Ceremonies like this one are dedicated to celebrating America's newest citizens. They're filled with pomp and circumstance.
Please respond by saying, "I do."
The tradition stretches back nearly as far as the nation itself. An oath, a flag, a promise spoken out loud.
Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen.
The script is usually predictable, at least until now.
It's wrong. Every part of that is wrong.
On Tuesday, Marion County Clerk Kate Sweeney Bell says 38 out of 100 people set to take the oath to be U.S. citizens at Union Station were turned away. Bell says the clerk's office usually attends these events to register new citizens to vote. On Tuesday, dozens of people lost out on that privilege, too.
They've taken the tests. They've learned our history. They have a rudimentary understanding of the language.
This comes amid a Trump administration travel ban on more than a dozen countries. People at naturalization ceremonies across the country getting notices that they're from the countries included in the travel ban. It's unclear if what happened at the ceremony here in Indianapolis is for the same reason, but it's something immigration attorney Rachel Van Tile says is a growing concern for prospective citizens.
We knew that it was happening in other within people from the 19 travel ban countries, that was happening. We had heard of interviews being canceled and things like that, but I hadn't heard that it had happened locally where they had pulled people out of line at an oath ceremony. It's very disappointing.
Now, Van Tile says this can be very confusing. She urges anyone with questions about next steps to contact an immigration attorney. 13 News has also reached out to the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services. We'll let you know when we hear back. Dustin?
All right, Alex, thank you.
Like I said before, Trump, his time will be like a storm, an earthquake, unpredictable. Karakti changmi kase. Ni chana kan malai mi cho official te in legal ten ara tia ti in hangam te in aswal mi thalong ni thil anton lai ti zonga kan ro kho men samhan sa lo ni chana kan malai mi zong ni hi thil he kan van ton chang chu cha chon kan mani kan tong lo ti ai pat in khan thil he ti ding sa lo kan ni kan ratna kan background kan history he kan he thai how ti mi he van chim not ka du Tutanam van chimmi cho American cho kan dream asiban tuk in and dream kha vai chu piak denies anse chawlhan piak lo anse cho ngai chiangai mi ase hitil he it is very wrong timi ka se chupina green card van nga thu zonga khan thangam thu o kan sti lo timi zong kha hitil ni avan laktar Chucha chun si green card kan nga chang tin hu zonga hen nangam thlu kan salo abikin hol athiam lo mi ranga chun andre a umde uri timi zong kha hi thil ni hin avan lang tar mi ase ni chana putram ni arian tun na kan athami tampi clean up ato du mi chunga se athami thil tampi samhan sala clean up ato anaka citizen minung legal minung tam tukte anhor son ai le zonga jai thil da kan ban ton thlo ma lai this is unpredictable